Hi there. Welcome back for another training on milestones associated with your high school and beyond plan. Today's lesson, Learning Styles Inventory, is an important milestone that will help you understand how you learn and retain information, including things like tips for studying. The assessment analyzes your preferences and tendencies according to 3 learning methods: visual, auditory, and tactile. Students may be identified as having a primary and a secondary, a dual learning style, or possibly a mix of all of them. Your results are shown here in a chart in a graph format as well as linear. And you just want to make sure you follow the directions carefully right now, and you'll be successful in being able to log everything you need and close out with everything being in the green. So today we'll start with a sample student up here in the corner, and we'll click on the My Plan tab. Of course, that's your workbench, so to speak. You notice this particular student already has some responses. So we're going to go ahead and click on those, and we'll probably delete those for now because we want to do a do-over. Occasionally you do need to do that. You need to reassess yourself. You do grow and learn while you're in high school. All right, so now we see the 3 learning style types that I was referring to, but we haven't yet done the assessment. Notice that there are 20 questions, and it tells you here what to do. Read that information carefully and click Start Now. There's our first required response item. Notice there are 20, as shown up in the right corner here, that you have to respond to. So for example, when reading a novel, I tend to, you select one of these 3. Maybe you just simply sit down and read or whatever, but you would just go ahead and click the appropriate box. So once you've accomplished all 20 of these learning style questions, you would go ahead. In this case, I'm going to pull up another one that's been done previously with another sample student. And this is what your results will look like. Pie chart, broken down visually. It's, again, very visual in its nature here. But you'll see the descriptions of what you're looking at right here. Next, we must enter our journal entry. To do that, you must go to My Plan once again. Scroll to the bottom of the My Plan page to My Journal, this area here, and click My Journal. Now, to enter a new entry, you still have to click on the Add New Entry tab here. Notice you have up to 2,000 characters available. We're asking you to do at least 1,000 in your journal entry on 2 questions that I'll mention in just a second. But first, you must enter your entry title. And in this case, you'll be entering Learning Styles Response. That will identify that for you real easily. Next, as I said, put your 1,000 characters or more response in the box relative to 2 questions. So you must respond to these 2 questions. First, do you believe that the description of the learning style provided accurately identifies how you learn best? And secondly, how can this assist you in earning a high school diploma and preparing your beyond high school plan? Again, up to 1,000 characters. Now, once you're complete, make sure you click Save. And that concludes our training for today. Best of luck with learning styles. I hope you'll take it seriously and enter a really wonderful journal entry. Thank you.